Hi guys, so we are at Sleaford East Level Crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Andrew. There we go, now the time is 12:41 on Thursday the 20, what is it today? Thursday the 2nd of April 2015. This is for our 12:42 2 kilo 29 business train service from Lincolnshire to Peterborough, and as you can finally see, this crossing has had an upgrade. Yes. A little bit. They've got 2 brand new alarms and 2 old ones. But this crossing has finally had an upgrade after all that waiting. They've got the shades are all the same size this time. And there's one of the lights is proper tilted over there. Here we go, we've got 153,357.
Already leaving, bloody hell.
153,357 to Peterborough, and up they go.
I suppose it's time for...
Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.